So good morning students. So last class we discussed about the reactions of chemical reactions, preparation of carboxylic acids, okay, and acidity of carboxylic acid. So now here another chemical reactions involving cleavage of COH bond, reactions involving cleavage of COH bond. So in this, first one is formation of anhydride, formation of anhydride, formation of anhydride, formation of anhydride. Okay. So formation of anhydride. So carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids. So heating with carboxylic acids, carboxylic acids, carboxylic acids. Heating with concentrated mineral acids. Mineral acids. Mineral acids means what? Like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphorus pentoxide, like that. So heating with mineral acids such as concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphorus pentoxide, etc. to gives corresponding anhydrides. So formation of anhydrides to gives corresponding energy. Carboxylic acids heating with mineral acids such as concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphorus pentoxide, etc. to gives corresponding anhydrides. See here, so is equation, take any example. CH3, C double bond O, OH, okay, and CH3, C double bond O, OH. So this is acetic acid, that is ethanoic acid. From this ethanoic acid, so heating in the presence of sulfuric acid concentrated and heating or phosphorus pentoxide and then followed by heating. So loss of water. So in this loss of water, OH minus and H plus. So loss of water to gives acidic anhydride, like this. Okay, acidic anhydrides. Anhydrides, respective anhydrides is produced. So carboxylic acid heating with mineral acids. Mineral acids such as phosphorus pentoxide, sulfuric acid, etc. to give corresponding anhydrides. So ethanoic acid heating with sulfuric acid and phosphorus pentoxide produce ethanoic anhydride. Is it clear? Ethanoic anhydride. So phosphorus pentoxide is ethanoic anhydride. Okay. So ethanoic anhydride is produced. So carboxylic acid is heating with mineral acids such as concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphorus pentoxide, etc. to give corresponding anhydrides. So this is reaction is called formation of anhydrides. So that means carboxylic acids heating with mineral acids to produce the anhydride also. This is the first one reaction. And coming to the second reaction, for second one is second reaction, esterification. So esterification. So esters or C double bond. So carboxylic acid is react with alcohols. Okay, carboxylic acids is react with alcohols. That is carboxylic acids react with alcohols. So to form the esters in the presence of sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid gas as a catalyst. So the carboxylic acid react with alcohols to form esters. So in the presence of carboxylic acid react with alcohol to form esters in the presence of sulfuric acid, that is HCl as a catalyst. So carboxylic acids, whatever is there, carboxylic acid react with alcohols to form esters. Already we now discuss esterification of in this. In alcohols, phenol, ethers, we discuss this esterification. So carboxylic acid is react with alcohols. See, carboxylic acid or C double bond OH. Carboxylic acid react with R and OH alcohols. Okay, to produce the what in the presence of acidic medium. To produce the esters or C double bond OR. So plus OR, glass of water. This is the esters. This is the ester. This reaction is called esterification. Very important. So carboxylic acid react with alcohols. So to produce the what? Esters. So this is called esterification. This is called esterification. Okay. So carboxylic acids react with alcohols to form esters in the presence of sulfuric acid and as a catalyst. Sulfuric acid as a catalyst. Sulfuric acid as a catalyst. This reaction is called esterification. Simply in this loss of OH, in this H. So that is the esterification. Loss of water. So this is the esterification. Is it clear? And next equation is, these all are reactions involve cleavage of COH bond. Reactions involve cleavage of COH bond. Okay. And next one is so third one is reaction with PCl5, PCl3, SO4, thionyl chloride. Reaction with PCl5, PCl3, thionyl chloride, SO4. Whenever carboxylic acid is, so in carboxylic acid, hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine. Hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine when it is treated with the phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, thionyl chloride. So whenever carboxylic acid in carboxyl group, hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine atom when it is treated with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride. Is it clear? So when carboxyl group, hydroxyl group replaced by chlorine, hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine when it is treated with so in carboxyl group, hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine when it is treated with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride. So like alcohols, to give SL chlorides, like alcohols also hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine atom when it is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, thionyl chloride. Is it clear what I am saying? Okay, like alcohols also it is react, like alcohols it is react. See equation is carboxylic acid RC double bond OH plus PCl5 react with phosphorus pentachloride to produce acyl chloride, RC double bond OCl, hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine and POCl3 and HCl. And next one is carboxylic acid react with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride and produce the acyl chloride, gives H3PO3. It is 3 moles. Okay, it is 3 moles. Then here also 3 moles. Is it clear? And carboxylic acids react with thionyl chloride, gives the acyl chloride and sulfur dioxide and HCl. It is gases. This is name is thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. So this is acyl chloride. So this is the best preparation method. When our carboxylic acid react with thionyl chloride, gives the acyl chloride and sulfur dioxide HCl gas. Why? Because byproducts are both are gases. Byproducts are both are gases. That's why it is the it is easily separated, easily escape from the container, and easily this mixture is you can easily separate it. That's why, so carboxylic acid react with thionyl chloride, it is the best preparation method to produce the acyl chloride. In alcohols also same thing, just to recall that one, alcohols react with thionyl chloride, produce the, so alkyl halides, sulfur dioxide, HCl, same like this here also same. In that cases alcohols react with thionyl chloride, that is the best preparation method. Why? Because both byproducts are is gases, easily escape from the content, we can easily separate the reaction mixture, that is, okay. Is it clear? This is the reaction with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. Is it clear what I am saying?